Hello children, I am Somayajulu, maths teacher from Yeluru. Today I discuss about the key points in the third class maths chapter Share Equally by APSCRT maths textbook. For example, your father bought 4 chocolates and gave to you. What do? You give 2 chocolates to your brother and 2 to yourself. That means share equally.
Learning objectives. By the end of this module, identify the same things, distribute a whole into equal parts, calculate half and quarter parts of the whole, compare of half and quarter of a whole. Our first topic in our module is equal and unequal parts. In this topic, we discuss about what is equal, what is unequal, what is the difference between equal and unequal. Now we will see one activity related to match equal numbers. Match equal numbers. I have set of flowers. Now count the flowers in the first box. 1, 2, 3. That means total 3 flowers. In the second box, 1, 2. That means 2 flowers. In the third box, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 flowers. In the fourth box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 flowers. I also have another set of apples in other side. In the first box, 2 apples. Second box, 4 apples. Third box 5 apples, and in fourth box 3 apples. Now I am going to match equal number of flowers with equal number of apples. In the first box there are 3 flowers. Now I am going to match equal number of apples in other side. Now I successfully matched 3 flowers matched with 3 apples. In the same way, 2 flowers matched with 2 apples. Yes, and same way, 4 flowers are matched with 4 apples. And in the same way, 5 flowers are matched with 5 apples. Do these. Put a tick mark if 2 boxes have equal number of things. Observe first box, there are 4 cockroaches. Left side, 2 cockroaches, and right side, 2 cockroaches. Observe second box. On the left side, 3 leaves, and right side, 4 leaves. Observe third picture. There are left side 5 buttons and right side 5 buttons. Now tick mark for equal number of things. Yes, that's right. In the first box, left and right, equal number of things, 2, 2. That's right. In the second box, not equal. Okay, right. In the third box, there are 5 and 5 equal. That's correct. Do this. Put a tick mark if 2 boxes have equal number of things. Now we have 3 sets of boxes, each set of 2 boxes. In the first set of boxes, left side 3 fishes and right side 4 fishes. Now we identify the equal number of things in 2 boxes. Is it both the boxes have equal number of fishes? No. In the second set of boxes, left side 5 balls, right side also 5 balls. Is it both the boxes have equal number of balls? Yes, it's correct. In the third set of box, there are left side 4 balloons and right side 3 balloons. Is it both the boxes have equal number of balloons? No, that's correct. Hi children, look at the picture. Observe this picture carefully. We do this activity. How many marbles does Srinu have? In Srinu's one hand, 4 marbles. In other hand, 2 marbles. Total 6 marbles. That's correct. How many marbles does Giri has? In Giri's one hand, 3 marbles. In other hand, 3 marbles. Total 6 marbles. That's correct. Who has marbles equally in both hands? Srinu's one hand, 4 marbles, and in other hand, 2 marbles. They are not equal. In Giri's one hand, 3 marbles, and in other hand, also 3 marbles. That means answer is Giri. That's right. How many marbles are there in total? In Srinu's one hand, 4 marbles, and in other hand, 2 marbles. That means total 6 marbles. And Giri's one hand, 3 marbles, and in other hand, 3 marbles. That means total again 6 marbles. In the plate, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marbles. So total marbles are 18. That's correct. If the boys share all marbles equally, how many marbles would each get? There are total marbles are 18. Now Srinu and Giri wanted to share those equally. That means they each got 9. Srinu got 9 and Giri got 9. That's correct. Second part of this module is making two equal halves. Making two equal halves. Now we make it an activity. Renu and Giri wanted to make a paper horse. So they brought 3 postcards and folded them in the middle as shown in the picture. Yes, that's the middle line. And they folded the postcards according to middle line. That means that picture shows folded postcards. Now they arranged in a paper horse. They arranged as a paper horse. Now ask 2 simple questions. How is the card folded into equal or not equal? Yes, that's correct. Equal. How the folded parts look like? Same, not same, same. That's correct. Good. The third topic in our module is of introduction. Now we try to learn about the concept of half. Now we do one activity. Amma is preparing dosa in the kitchen, but only one dosa is completed. Her 2 sons, Srinu and Giri, want to share the dosa equally. How do they get equal shares? Srinu folded the dosa in the middle and cut into equal parts. That means 2 equal parts and shared equally. 2 halves of a dosa make one full dosa. Half is represented as 1 by 2. Now do this. Mark into 2 equal halves. The first box contains 4 ice creams and second box contains 6 oranges. Now I wanted to separate the ice creams in the first box equally. How to do it? Yes, we separated ice creams into 2 groups, right? In a box contains 6 oranges. I wanted to separate the oranges equally. Yes, that's correct. We separated 6 oranges into 2 groups. Now again do this. Mark into 2 equal halves. The first box contains 12 mangoes. The second box contains 12 cups. Now 12 mangoes separate into two equal parts. That's correct. They are equally separated. In the second box, there are 10 cups. Now we separate into two equal parts. That's correct. They are equally separated. Sharing a half. Now we made this activity. Look at the screen. There are 5 pizzas ready to distribute Mohan and Geeta. Now we share these 5 pizzas equally to Mohan and Geeta. Get ready. We gave the first pizza to Mohan. Now give the second pizza to Geeta. Third pizza gave to Mohan. Okay. Fourth pizza gave to Geeta. Right. Remaining one pizza, but distribute it to two persons, Mohan and Geeta, equally. How is it possible? Now we cut that pizza according to middle line and make into two equal halves. That means two equal pieces. That means half part give to Mohan and remaining half part give to Geeta. That 5 pizzas shared equally to Mohan and Geeta. Do this, sharing half. Share these 7 apples equally between two girls. Get ready, children, ready to share equally. The first apple give to Lalita. The second apple give to Gayatri. The third apple give to Lalita. The fourth apple give to Gayatri. The fifth apple gave to Lalita. The sixth apple gave to Gayatri. Oh, now only one apple. But we distribute that apple to two girls, Lalita and Gayatri. How is it possible to make it half according to middle line, make two halves and try to share equally? Now, yes, first half part gave to Lalita. Second half part gave to Gayatri. That's right, that's equally distributed between two girls. The fourth topic in our module is water introduction. Now we will learn about the concept water and do these on related concept. Now we do one activity. Your teacher brought one pizza to 4 children, Ravi, Meghana, Girish and Prakash. Now let's help them to share the pizza among the 4 children. First, cut the pizza into two equal parts. There are two equal parts of pizza, but that will share to 4 children. What do you do? Now again cut into two equal parts. Now we have four equal parts. The first quarter part gave to Ravi. The second quarter part gave to Meghana. The third quarter part gave to Girish. The fourth and final quarter part gave to Prakash. That means share equally. Half of half is called quarter. Quarter. It is represented as 1 by 4. Now we do this. Make it into 4 equal parts. Look at the screen. Observe the picture. Before we make it into 4 equal parts, first we made into 2 equal parts, right? First part, second part. Now we again each half part into 2 equal parts. Now there are 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the picture made into 4 equal parts. Now observe the second picture. First we split into 2 equal parts. Now again each half part into 2 equal parts. Now that picture made into 4 equal parts. Observe the third picture. Again we made into 2 equal parts. First 2 equal parts. Then the next made into 4 equal parts. Right. Make it into 4 equal parts. Do these. Color the quarter part of the each given picture. Observe first picture. The first picture divided into 4 equal parts. Now color the quarter part. Right. Now observe second picture. That made 4 equal parts. Right. Now color the quarter part. Right. Observe third picture. That made into 4 equal parts. Right. Now color the quarter part of the picture. That's right. Now we do some simple exercises. Divide each picture into 2 equal parts. Observe first picture. Now split into middle line according to middle line. Yes, splits into 2 equal parts. Observe second picture. Now splits into 2 equal parts according to middle line. Yes, it's correct. Again do this exercise. Divide each picture into 4 equal parts. Observe first picture, first part, second part, third part, fourth part. Yes, they are exactly made into 4 equal parts. Observe second picture. Yes, first part, second part, third part, fourth part. Yes, they are divided into 4 equal parts. Right. Now we do some simple exercises. Circle things to half of their number. Observe first picture. In the first box, there are 10 things. Now we circle the half of their number. Out of 10 things, circle drawn to 5 things. That's correct. In this second picture, there are 8 rabbits. Out of 8, circle drawn to 4 rabbits. That's correct. In the third picture, there are 12 flowers. Out of 12, circle drawn to, yes, 6 flowers. That's good. Now we do another simple exercise. Circle the things to quarter part of their numbers. Observe the pictures. In the first picture, there are 12 pencils. In the second picture, there are 16 balls. And in the third picture, there are 20 hens. Now circle the things to quarter part of their number. In the first picture, now we draw the circle to the quarter part of their number. That means out of 12, circle drawn to, yes, 3 pencils. That's correct. In the second picture, there are 16 balls. Out of 16, circle drawn to 4 balls. That's correct. In the third picture, there are 20 hens. Out of 20 hens, circle drawn to 5 hens. That's correct. Good. Now we do another exercise. Color the half of the pot. Observe the picture. Now we color the half of the pot. Yes, that's correct. Half of the part is shaded. Observe the second picture. Split into two parts. Yes, now color the half of the part. Yes, that's correct. Good. Now we do the simple exercise. Color the quarter part. Observe the first picture. The first picture split into four equal parts. Now we color the quarter part. Yes, it's color. Exact. Now we observe the second picture. That picture also divided into four equal parts. Now color the quarter part. Yes, that's correct. Good.